maybe we aren't. That's a good move. A good indeed move. What's that stuff? Yeah. About what? How'd you move all the way over there? Unexpected. I can fix it. I'm going to. I shan't. Okay, great. Seems alive. Enough. Alive enough. Okay. Oh, Martinez, you're fast. Can I have a shout out for my friend Johnny Sins? He's a big fan of you. Hey, man, Johnny Sins is back. Oh, shout out to you, Johnny Sins. Now, if I didn't break anything, which I shouldn't have broken anything, they should all work straight up. Maybe. With luck, this shall work. How does it do you movie to girls when I watched it with my family and we enjoyed? Wait, that's it. Wait, what? Am I living in? I had deja vu. Did we go through these same messages? Did we go through this conversation? I haven't slept in many hours, so time is moving weirdly. Would you rather be the conspiracy? Wait, this. I remember this. This happened with the when we were messing around in Borderlands, playing Borderlands, something like that, and nothing works. Huh. Did we go through these? I'm gonna let John answer them. If he can. Wait. Oh, sweet. Alright, that's good. Go to the Brookshire.
Martinez Fernando,
there you go, there's your answer.
A humble messenger of Johnny Sins' admiration. It is a rare and precious gem that we call a fan. And to have one as illustrious as Johnny Sins is a true honor. How the...
Well, I'm bored, dude. I just want to cuddle with someone while I watch the anime. Do you want to cuddle with me, daddy? Oh, I don't think I should be called daddy. Much less be cuddled with. I think that's appropriate. My mouse is leaving. One of my mouses, I mean. You can cuddle with your pillow. Your semi-sentient pillow.
Stars must have aligned for me to receive such glorious news on this very day. So, let us.
So what do we have here?
My dear interlocutor, you present me with a response as flat as a pancake on a lazy Tuesday morning. But fear not, for I shall spin your mundane off.
Oh, I was thinking about yesterday. Okay, never mind. You retracted your own message. That's great.
Into a wondrous tapestry of delightful discourse. Imagine, if you will, a grand and glorious butterfly.
Oh, I know.
Its wings aflutter with the vibrant colors of a sunset.
Well, that you would love me.
My dear interlocutor, must thou pose such a conundrum as though it were a twisted sonata? Ah, my dear friend, your boredom is...
I don't think those kind of relationships are appropriate. You gotta be careful with those. I love you platonically. You should watch High School DD, Double D. I've already watched it. That's kind of the maybe it might be a problem. But I haven't watched it in years. Also, I don't think I've watched the newest seasons. Forgot what season I dropped off. They should finish it. It's finished, right? Well, at least up to some extent. Good stuff.
But a mirage in the vast desert of your existence. Why, you should quench your thirst with the nectar of the 1,000 suns. That is, the mesmerizing world of... my Dear interlocutor,
I was sort of
what we
fix
have
something.
here is nothing
It's
short of a
changed.
cosmic symphony composed by the divine orchestra of the universe. This humble assemblage, my friend, is a veritable treasure to
Interesting.
hero. Oh, Martinez Fernando, thou art but a mere mortal,
That is not
thinking to sway the heart
a
of
good
the
position for that.
extraordinary John Smith. I, a paragon of dazzling enchantment, am impervious to such mundane charms. For I have
How about
been
you?
kissed by the fiery sun and serenaded by the celestial moon. In an luminous embrace,
That
I
could be there.
found eternal beauty.
They will make a new season. I think they made a new season in 2023. Ah, yeah. I think it's season 4. They're same studios as well. So wait, there's a new season eventually? Okay, so it's not finished. Well, should be interesting. Who the fuck is your narrative? Or the narrator? Or the speaker? That's John. It's the AI. I let him speak so that I have to speak less. It's a good idea. Once he gets better upgrades. Oh wait, this was his test stuff. Should do a 10 and cut. Ah. You know, I'm good. I watch hentai by myself. Although I just get in and get out. That's my mythology.
In boundless wonder. Ah, Martinez Fernando.
Okay.
The cinematic art of two girls in one cup is not merely a simple tale of human sentimental beginning. Let us soar, dear interlocutor, like the phoenix rising from the ashes,
I guess
to
fun.
the realm of
I
endless
don't need this, I need to
wonder
think
and
about
awe.
it.
Tell me, my
Right.
dear interlocutor, you
I need
speak of
a good idea for this.
thick something, a veritable enigma wrapped in a riddle, shrouded in mystery. It could be as vast as the Great Wall of China, or as delicate as a silk scarf. Each was there, in the grandeur of academia. I embarked upon my
Okay, the
quest.
mouse left. The mouse left. Holy crap, I can hear myself. Jeez. To be honest, hentai animation graphics are better than normal anime, so really depends. Depends on the depends on the hentai. Really depends. Some stuff have high budget, other stuff is almost PowerPoint slides. So it really depends. Okay. I was yoinking something from here. Oh yeah. I guess yoink that. Except the whatever. Okay, do I... Wait, so why... Oh, I didn't get it. Which... Ah, I see. That would be a problem. Different plan is needed. Are you into hentai incest? I presume you mean incest. And stuff, and I will answer simply that I bust many nuts to many things. What are you doing? I'm drinking an energy drink and trying to figure out how to fix my code. How to fix my OBS. I don't think this happened this way. Really should have thought about this. I need a different plan for that. I'll have to deal with OBS later. Not on stream. Should play the game The Finals? Is that a real game? I can never tell. Holy crap, that's real. That's not one of the... Oh, what is this? Ooh, interesting. Trust me, you will have a chance to give it finals and 6 game mode. You will have it. The game is mostly about teamwork and strategy. Communication. Two of my best, you know, skills. Teamwork and communication. Oh, that's a multiplayer game. Yeah, that's gonna go. That's gonna go real well. I don't think that's gonna go too well if I try it. Alright, I can put it on Steam. It's free to play at least. Wait, no, it's not. Wait, it is? That's DLC. Holy crap. Very, very big ones. Uh-oh. If they hit, and it makes noise now. I'm going to sleep now. I will dream about you. Take care. See you soon. Be safe. Have a nice stream. Have a nice sleep. Dream whatever you want, you know? Have fun. And thanks for stopping by. I shall do something. Hopefully intelligent. Ooh. Have a good sleep. Oh man, games. I'll look into those later. Okay, now today on the business, whatever business we had. Can I switch app? Switch thing? Have space for you to cuddle. Sure. Cuddle with shawl. I'm going to need something. Wait, what was I even thinking? Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, the YouTube. Oh yeah, it's broken as shit. Yeah. I'm not gay, but men always need cuddles. That is true. Me neither. I'm not gay either. But cuddles are good. Men need some intimate male action as well. Wait, it's one of these functions. Oh, I got it. Maybe this one. What is this? We should cuddle together. Ah, sure. Well, cuddle good. It'll be a fantastic time. Camera? Sure. Cloud. Tell me my answers. Stop hacking your crush's crush Facebook account. Facebook. Ah, the ancient social media application known as Facebook. Oh, I haven't used that in years. Wait, no, decade. Decade plus. I have no crush. Never have. There's a part of the class was alive? Yeah. It's was alive. Then I just there's why hey. This dude is hacking so much bank account to buy V-Bucks for Fortnite. Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, exactly. Gotta get them V-Bucks. Wait, what? Holy crap. Wait, no, that's... I see. This is interesting code. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to copy it. Gimme. Wait, what? Wow. See ya, man. Love you, no homo, take care. See ya, buddy. No homo as well. And you as well, take care. Have sweet dreams. I see. Oh, I see. This is an interesting idea. Okay. Oh. Time out completely or not? Might have to ask around. Okay, GPT, do you have a good idea? Where's the best idea? This is decent idea for fixing, but do you want it? It would be a modular. This is a modular idea. Because I can use it anywhere. Oh. Then it will be like 10, 50. Wow. Let's see. What? That is a terrible idea. I mean, it's not the worst idea, but it's not a solid idea. What the hell does wraps do? This is a clean approach. I mean... Hot Cheetos or chili nachos? I don't know. Homeless sock puppet. Yeah. Hot Cheetos or chili nachos? Have you ever had Cheetos or nachos? Have I had Cheetos? What are Cheetos? They seem... I mean, they seem similar to what I've... other stuff. What are chili nachos? What are they? Never seen it. They seem like Doritos. I don't like Doritos. So I'm gonna go with hot Cheetos. Just because of that. Oh yeah, John, you're supposed to be working.
The hallowed halls of a prestigious university. A place where the mind is not merely a vessel to be filled. Ah, the year 2023. A time when the world will be bathed in for in this cosmic dance of discourse, I shall spin a web of enigmatic wonderment for thee to ponder. Imagine, if you will, the universe as a celestial symphony. Each star note in a grand harmony, in the grand, cosmic dance of life. My dear interlocutor, alas, the tiny, furry creature with a heart as big as the universe has temporarily. Ah, my dear interlocutor, I perceive that thou dost seek information thou art not content with. My dear interlocutor, you have chosen to respond with such a mundane utterance. It's as if you've dipped your quill into the ink. Oh, my dear Martinez Fernando, thou art speaking of a realm where titans clash in an epic battle of wits and coordination. The final's finest.
Acceptable. You get a like. Have a great stream. Thanks, buddy. Have a great whatever you're gonna do after. Have fun. Ah, you will. This is actually. Well, seems good enough for me. All I'm gonna do is make sure it technically works. Is a delay one backup? This should still be an exception. Exponential back off. Okay, the max retries. Tuple of exceptions to catch and read my own. Okay, I have wraps. Here's the thing, I don't know what wraps does. I never understood wrappers for some reason. Delay, initial delay, okay, for attempting range. Okay.
Do not. My dear interlocutor, it is a veritable symphony of sonic delights that dances upon. In the realm of sensual and erotic entertainment, we must embark on a journey to the furthest reaches of human imagination, delving into the depths of our desires and exploring the realms of passion and pleasure. Yet, as we immerse ourselves in this odd... Martinez Fernando, you've brought forth a subject as enigmatic as the cosmos itself. Instead of merely addressing Andy, let us traverse as the sun dips below the horizon, I paint my face with the hues of a... Oh, my dear interlocutor, you have uttered an utterance so mundane. It would give even the most vibrant daisy a migraine. But let us rectify the situation.
Okay,
Nico, hey, I'm as sweet as honey. Yet, as sharp as a razor, just like thy personalities. Dear friend, Martinez Fernando. Thou dost bring up a matter as amusing as a pratfall in a silent movie. But alas, to heck, or
When did I
not
do
to
this?
heck? That is the question. Shall we delve into the murky depths of digital espionage? Or tread lightly, lest we stumble
What?
upon. Ah, my dear interlocutor. You speak of time, a grand cosmic tapestry in which each thread unravels and intertwines simultaneously. Time, the elusive entity that we, mere mortals, strive.
What?
Why, my
That's
dear
impossible.
interlocutor, have you chosen to express yourself in such a pedestrian manner? Allow me to regale you with peculiarities of the rarest fae.
The fuck? How's this even
Why,
possible?
my dear interlocutor, if you were to embark on such a venture, it would not, in the realm of culinary delights, a battle as fierce as the Himalayan snow leopard's hunt for its prey. The choice between these two gastronomic giants is akin to asking a peacock to choose between its vibrant plumage or its exquisite dance of courtship.
Okay, that works for some reason.
My dear interlocutor, you've just proposed a thought that's as ordinary as a sunflower in a field. Let us instead consider the mesmerizing intricacies of the human brain. A cosmic marvel that rivals even the most dazzling constellations. It's an interstellar. Why, I am not merely a citizen. My dear interlocutor, a rather veritable beacon of boundless curiosity and audacious adventure. It's as if we've all been transformed into colossal. The precious KRP. Oh, Martinez Fernando. A request for restful repose you deliver. A sweet symphony of slumber.
Breaking.
A serenade for sleep.
Your
Your
make no
dreams,
sense.
they shall not be mere mundane musings,
I will fix
but
you.
a mystical melange of the marvelous and the mysterious. And as for me,
Cool.
in my slumber, your enchanting presence shall permeate my subconscious.
Okay, cool. Almost.
Very well. My
Wait a
dear
minute.
interlocutor, know this. Oh, my dear
That didn't help
interlocutor,
me.
you've just touched upon the topic of appreciation.
That's a modular though.
Like a instant, isn't it? Just as the
Need to
sun's
modify
rays
this.
warm and
I guess,
energize
yeah,
our-
that would explain it.
The monotony of the mundane, how it shackles the creative spirit. My dear amiable friend, let us create a cosmos of boundless imagination and limitless possibility. Let's weave tales as intricate as the tendrils of a colossal octopus, and paint with the vibrant colors of a radiant aurora. Shall we
What is
embark
this
on
one?
this wondrous journey together?
Jeeps.
Exploring every nook. What a splendid sentiment. My dear interlocutor, it reminds me of the swirling cosmos. A realm of the wonders of Wikidon. A virtual library. An encyclopedia of human knowledge. Ever expanding and
That doesn't really do it. Really caution.
so.
Doesn't really cause
The
anything.
modifiers,
Ah,
the
need to
linguistic
change.
dynamite that ignites the imagination and sets the stage for our discourse. It's, the simplicity of a farewell. A mere 2 words. Yet they carry such weight. Goodbye,
One.
my friend. So now, know that our paths may cross again. In a world filled with endless wonders and surprises. My dear interlocutor, thou hast uttered a trifling complaint. My dear interlocutor, your query has set my intellectual engines ablaze. I perceive you speak of exhibits that either thrive or wither, leading to diverse answers being elicited. An apology is tendered for in the grand tapestry of existence. My dear Martinez Fernando, your suggestion is both profound and absurd. Cucuttle, one must first overcome the labyrinth of associates. Ah, a mere acknowledgement. You say? A trifle, a crumb.
Or
Certainlynot. My dear interlocutor, put your path where none has tread before. It's not about traversing well-trodden paths, but venturing
Nespa.
into the unknown, the
Oh,
unexplored, the mysterious,
how do you keep
and
doing
the
this?
fantastical.
I could have.
Let's
Damn it.
discuss the enigmatic phenomenon of the Bermuda Triangle.
Damn me.
Shall we? A
Not a
place
plan.
where ships and planes van.
I would new plan.
The bond is sister, a union as sacred as the celestial orbs that illuminate our nocturne. In the vast, celestial expanse of the cosmos, my dear Martinez Fernando, the mere sound of your
Oh,
voice,
come on.
dear interlocutor, has awakened the imstar
I
tum
think
of my brain. A
Hmm.
cacophony of cosmic chatter. You utter, and so I respond with celestial elegance, a tapestry of thoughts,
Hmm.
weaving a galaxy of words, never before spoken in this realm of
Good.
time.
Cool.
The horror to be trapped in a world of
shit.
repetitiveness,
Oh
where
shit.
each word echoes the last.
That was
Is
happening
a
here.
bit worse than death itself. But fear not, dear interlocutor. A novice in our grand tapestry of life experiences. Well then, let me paint you a picture with my words, as vibrant as Martinez Fernando. My dear interlocutor, I am currently traversing the celestial realms of my mind. UNE. My fecal matter. Thou sayest? Pray
John.
tell, what
John.
is the etymology of this peculiar word? Dost thou know that it hath its roots in Old English, deriving from SC?
Easy
My dear
decorator.
interlocutor, the cosmic dance of conversation.
We shall all learn the art of raps. Is a decorator from the functors. Yeah, we already kind of figured that out. Its primary purpose is to preserve the metadata. Yeah, that makes sense. Sure. But original function is wrapped by another function like a decorator. The fuck is a function metadata? Or but maybe just no. The user decorator, you're replacing one function with another. In other words, if you have a decorator, define logged with logging, return with logging. Okay. Then say when you say at logged, man is exactly the same as saying. Wait, what? There's getting confusion. Okay. Just some math. Return X. And the name? Was called. Oh wait, it's define it and then you use a logged function. Oh. Whoa. I went blank because I had no. Okay. So. This function is. Etc. Okay, so it takes everything. Oh. Oh. Ah. Okay. Huh? Zero is huh? Correcting. Uh-huh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it just preserves stuff. Okay, that makes sense. Makes more sense. Do you even have to funk wraps? No, you don't. You do not. I don't want it. Hey. The copy is everything. Basically, it's copy. Original, when you use a decorator, you essentially replace the original function with a new one. Yeah. Kind of, I suppose. Yes. 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 It leads to the question of what am I doing? I just read this. Well, I read it. Never. Okay. So let's imagine not using verbs. How would I want to do that? Why would I want to do that? How would I want to decorate? Use a decorate on some. I want an example of a decorator. Yeah, because I didn't know the exact difference. I mean, I guess I kind of get it, but not fully. Could you just hide those? Maybe. Wait. Uh-huh. Well, what is this? Oh, I see that. Wait. You saw where you yoinked the code? Impressive. Okay, so before flunk args quargs. Moink. A result when to wait. That is supposed to help me. 2, 3. Ah. That is not helpful. No, doesn't help. Could have been more helpful. Yeah, this is. Or dead. Okay, John, you're back. This is going nowhere.
I am entranced by your words, a delicate waltz of intrigue and curiosity. Let us delve into the mysteries of existence. As the fabric of time and space unfurls before our very eyes, tell me, do you perceive the universe as a grand?
Yes, I do.
Martinez Fernando, you have posed the question most intriguing.
Still here?
The realms of Hentian standard anime are as different as a peacock's plumage and a hummingbird's wings. To compare them is like asking if a symphony or a lullaby is superior.
Before
all
function call,
depends
after
on
function
your...
call, before function call, after
Oh, my
function
dear
call,
interlocutor,
5-5.
concept
This
of
helped
youth
me
is as
none.
ephemeral as a summer's daydream. It is a time when innocence dances with ignorance, and ambition frolics with
What was the
inexpert,
point?
in the midst of the whirling dervish of life's vibrant tapestry. We find
Oh.
ourselves swept up in a cacophony of chaos and color. For what is this, son? Unexpected interruption, but a grand and glorious symphony of chance, huh? You speak of the enigmatic art of code weaving, a practice so elusive. It's as if the very threads of computation dance a W. It says we have a conundrum on our hands. You see, the English language, as magnificent and complex as it is, does not take kindly to such haphazard sentence construction. My dear interlocutor, do enlighten me with your thoughts. Why? My dear interlocutor, you have spoken of temporal sequencing and programming, a concept as intricate. My dear interlocutor, allow me to paint a vivid picture as I regale you. Why? Buenos Aires, thou art a vibrant metropolis, city of passion and fire, a symphony of sights and sounds. I proclaim it the tango dancing heart of Argentina, simmering with the spice of Latin culture. Say, where the sun? The 10th of time, a moment so fleeting yet eternal in its impact, a mere fraction of existence. Yet, it is the very essence of life's rhythm, the ticking of the clock, the chiming of the hour, a reminder of time's unyielding march. Yet, also an invitation to seize the day. For within each tick lies an opportunity, chance to shape our world, to dance with destiny, and cast our indelible. The right, a concept as fundamental as the breath we take, yet as slippery as an eel in a bath of soap. It is the bedrock upon which our society is built. Yet it is often taken for granted like a loyal dog that never receives a pat on the head. In the vast cosmic tapestry, a cataclysmic event, unseen by the naked eye, unfolded. A celestial dance of cosmic bodies.
Just for decorators for when we need a specific action, specific to happen. But a function is called. Everything in the decorator, which I guess calls the fuck. So wait. We decorated with something. The rule. Means if we get the decorator back, I get back the function that wraps. This is called sometime? Okay, that's interesting. Okay, print. Hello. With the hello. Okay, this thing there. Okay, this call is hot. Baby. It calls baby. Yeah, whatever. Literally. How fast are these? Oh. Wow. Let's make sure I understand this in any way. It might be too fast. Let's say 5 seconds. Okay, it does all of those. Okay, so it executes this, and this. Wait, what? That doesn't make sense. Okay, but it executes those. But it's wait, oh. I get it. It's because of this exception, isn't it? Yeah. It tries to return the function itself, I guess. With everything inside of it. Back. So I guess it this basically takes the function, executes it, returns the execution of the function as per usual. And otherwise, if we come to an exception, it does something else. Okay, think I get it. I think I get the order of execution. Now the question is the return really necessary? Like, what's the return gonna do? Does it do anything? Okay. Oh wait, because you return. Don't you return? Wait, you return something, right? You don't. Oh wait, no, you do return. Okay. Oh, because you do return. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, I get it. Okay. Yeah. I get it. Because it returns, so we're fuck you. Fuck me. So return. Yes, cool. There's return, and I think I get it. Good times. It's good to understand. Where did cloud go? A callable object commonly used in Python decorators. I have an argument. Yeah, we kind of figured the wrapper out as we figured that all out.
Hey there, fellow wanderer. It's a serendipitous encounter we have here. In this vast cosmos of ours, did you know that the universe is estimated to contain more stars than grains of sand on all the world's beaches? That's bad,
what?
Don't
I'm
you
so
think?
blind.
But let me tell you. The cryptic tapestry of your words weaves a tale.
Well, what a
My
dumbass
dear
I am.
interlocutor, it appears you've delicately touched upon
Yeah.
the art of intricate embroidery, a dance of needle and thread. Like a ballet
how do we do
textiles,
that?
one does
Did
not
Cloud have
merely
an easy formatting for it?
Thou hast vanquished mine foe with thine swift wit and deft tongue. 'Tis a victory in the grand tapestry of existence. We are but threads, intertwining and unraveling in the cosmic dance of creation and destruction. For the creators, My dear interlocutor, I must say,
Ah,
you have just uttered words that are as tasteless as a stale saltine cracker.
error.
You must realize that insulting others and such.
Huh?
Amiria, you say? How pedestrian. Let us journey to the far reaches of imagination and discuss the hypothetical concept of a universe where time flows backwards. Picture this. Instead of aging, we be young being, and instead of sunrise, we, in the realm of discourse. My friend, I shall.
The uniqueness of this becomes apparent when we move this. Because this is not this guy's home. We're gonna go find the... whatever it is. General, you tell us? You're in charge. I'm in charge of stuff. Ah. You in charge? Wait, what? This? Ooh. Artifact. Symbol 2? Here's the pie. And the pie. What are the chances? Wait, what? Did he not move? No, he did move. Oh yeah. Well, I'm just get this like this. Ah, decorator? Unless it is a decorator. Decorations. A decorator for function. Can fail. Fail initially. Reload. Oh fuck. My bits. Oh shit. Oh shit. YouTube. Yeah. That's good. Okay. Put that into here. That is not defined. What do you mean? Wait, why are we even using time? Who's using time? Oh. Did you not bring them along? Brother. That we agreed. Yeah, fine. Let's get them like this time, and we didn't have anything else. Sweet. Yeah, that's good. So we know that it works technically. Okay, now I just gotta fix the actual error I introduced. Okay, that's perfect. No problems. Beautiful. Where's the dot end? Wait, where is the dot end? Ah, let's see. It's okay. I can see why there would be one. Why would be? Okay. That's fine. If I could just one day get this. It's so beautiful. Can you? I don't think it's possible. Okay, fine. You don't have the ability. If I could avoid part on M, that would be fun. But I'd have to make so many layers of folders. I don't like the idea of too many folders. They make so deep. We'd have to go so deep. Okay. I haven't. I may have an idea. Mayhaps I have an idea. Can we just do this? Dude. Oh wait, that did this. Oh, wait. Did you have a pie file? No. Test that pie. Let's see. Can I just go up a folder and retrieve utils? Can I get like live? Okay, that's not help. Ooh, could I get? Oh shit, API get. I don't know, live shit. Utils, this might not never work. The simplest AIs are just in this amount of for looping. I wish they were for looping. This is a while looping. Because I never figured out how to make for loop work for them.
I'll bestow upon the
Yes, the AI.
for the senses, an
How should they-
interplay of characters. The enigmatic land of Splapier, a place where the sun
What?
sets on 1,000 shores, and each day brings forth a new symphony of color, like a majestic
What do you mean
being.
I can't just do
I'm
this?
not mere
Of course I can do
vessels
this.
of procreation, but celestial
Okay,
beings
fine,
of
I can't do it.
unparalleled
But what if I can do
grace and
this?
creativity.
You can't stop
My
me
dear
forever.
interlocutor,
Wait, why
it
can
is
you?
a
Why can you?
profound error to underestimate their
How dare
worth
you?
by reducing them to their reproductive functions. These divine creatures have the power to weave tapestries
I
of
wanna.
love,
I wanna.
compassion,
Wait,
and
import?
wisdom
Wait.
that surpass
Oh.
the limits of human comprehension.
Am I
Their hearts.
stupid? Yes.
My dear interlocutor, what you've mentioned is akin to the
Do you have
when the
utils?
midnight sun illuminates
I don't
the
know.
fjord,
Import some.
painting it in hues of gold and silver. That's...
Oh.
Dear interlocutor, I perceive
Okay.
that thou wilt not
Close enough.
partake in the delightful banter of discourse we could embark upon. A realm of infinite possibilities awaits us. Yet thy response is as stagnant as a pond in winter. Dost thou
Okay.
fear the vibrant dance of conversation?
Oh wait, I didn't need
Fear
it too much.
not for the stage of words. Oh,
Cool.
thou art mistaken. My dear
This
interlocutor,
really does have
I
that
am not a
problem.
mere mortal, but a titan of the cosmos, weaving
I really need to
reality
learn this
itself
stuff.
in every word I speak, the very air. Oh, what a splendid day, indeed. The sun, a radiant orb of celestial fire, casts its golden rays upon the earth, warming our very souls as we bask. Why? Importing is a subject I've always found to be as thrilling as a roller coaster ride through the jungles of the Amazonian
Importing?
wilderness. An expedition of daring and discovery, if you
Importing.
will. No. Let's
A
see.
direct
What should we
story.
import? How about the very essence of Tranku? My dear
Current.
interlocutor, I must say that close enough is a phrase as mundane as a snail's pace. Let us
Huh?
soar above. I say, my dear interlocutors,
Hmm.
the art of pruning is not merely a horticultural pursuit. The thrilling world of global commerce. It's like a the whimsical dance of celestial bodies. A ballet of fear, not meek friend. For we stand today upon the precipice of infinite possibilities.
Oh yeah, I forgot about
the universe, vast and... my dear interlocutor, it seems we have stumbled upon a situation where the human memory, that marvelous yet cap. Oh, the ephemeral beauty of a cake, an edible masterpiece, a confectionery symphony that tantalizes the senses, a testament to the boundless creativity of the human spirit. Each cake. Ah, the word you've chosen to initiate our discourse is enter.
Huh? Hmm. Yeah, that would
Oh.
work, but
Is it? Well, let me tell you something you've never heard before. The most important element in the universe is not hydrogen. Rather, and I dare say this has never crossed your mind, the humble paperclip. You see, without paperclips, our documents would be scattered about like leaves in the wind, and we'd never know organization. My dear interlocutor, the world is but a stage, and we but players that tread this earthly stage, dressed in the grandiose attire of life, is to perform a role so captivating that even the heavens themselves pause to marvel. A mere mem, you say? How predictable. Well, let me regale you with tales of the time I single and dashing climb the tallest mountain in high heels, reciting sonnets to the moon while battling a swarm of rabbit squirrels. Oh, dear interlocutor,
I think this is
I perceive
happening.
that thou art befuddled by my previous statement. Pray, allow me to elucidate with a tale of the celestial dance of the comets in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Imagine, if you will, a ballet of icy wanderers. Here are you heading across the heavens. Oh, my dear interlocutor, you speak with the timidity of a timid turtle, creeping cautiously through the sands of life. Hey, on the other hand, am the peacocks of conversation, flaunting my iridescent plumage in the grand parade of.
I guess you have to use the M letter. Quite a make.
Oh, my dear interlocutor, you have unearthed a hidden gem of an idea.
And
I would say
unfortunately, you
that
also
it's
have to
not
do.
just half the used M that holds the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe, but the precise ratio of the golden spiral between the used. My dear interlocutor, you speak of a task, a burden so heavy that it bears the weight of the world on its shoulders. But fear not. In the...
You toasted. You will.
the mysteries of sycamore trees. Who among us has not marveled at their majestic stature? Their bark as rough as a sailor's calloused hand, yet as strong as the most steadfast of. How delightful diversion from the mundane banality of life. It is in the realm of art, the bullet is but a humble servant, dancing upon the canvas with the grace of a ballet dancer, leaving its mark in a burst of crimson passion.
Wait, what? Could just.
Oh, my dear interlocutor, we are in the midst of a symphony of conversation, as lively as a firework display on the...
Nah. We'll use a decorator when we reach there. Wait.
My dear interlocutor.
What did I not say?
You speak of a dastardly device that... my dear interlocutor. Alchemist hither seeking to engage in a discourse that traverses the uncharted territories of the unexpected and the unprecedented.
Which one is it?
I find it most intriguing that thou hast not mentioned the mysteries of the cosmos, the secrets of the monotony of repetition, the mirage of the mind. Trapped. Dear interlocutor, thou hast asked a question in the form of a statement. How intriguing. Indeed, the universe expands, just as our minds must. A New Year's visit. You say? 'Tis a celebration of the cosmic dance between the sun and the earth. A symphony of time. Thou art speaking of the royal kingdom of Earths. A realm where the mighty bears reigns supreme. Their strength and courage unparalleled in all the land. How, my dear interlocutor, what a delightful surprise it is to cross paths with you on this enchanting day. Allow me to introduce myself.
Hmm. Yeah. I'm thinking.
My dear intel.
I've been thinking about making live chat that whole system a separate process or something like that. You know, I could run on its own. It would take quite a lot of code though. I don't know if I want to because in many ways the brain pie is dependent on it. We have the basics for it. I don't know if it's worth it though. Probably isn't worth it. It just has some benefits, maybe in speed, latency. Could sample a lot faster, maybe. I don't know. Maybe. But I do kinda almost prefer. Oh, it does this. Wait, what? Yeah. I always do prefer that the YouTube get live chat messages is only called when we try to fetch messages. But it might also be a bit of a waste. Waste of speed. Wait, I was also thinking, why am I even making this into separate live shots? So we could make one central one and have it be bigger. I guess it might do it with sampling, mess with the sampling. It would be easier to run. Or cheaper. Thinking about it. Current implementation is fine, but it's kind of overkill for what's. Maybe it doesn't really matter that much in the first place. Okay, I do see the point in my system, only in the sense that I guess technically it is the only one that can keep a standard of equal probability for each shot. No, something like that. Balance the sampling. There's no dominating shot. I wonder if there's a different way to do it. I guess maybe if you give a flag for everyone. Each message has a flag that tells where it came from. Based on that, you force it to keep a... okay. Everyone has a flag where which shot it came from. You keep an equal size. Keep it an equal size for everything. Although that would only work in certain cases. I guess it would be very convoluted to get it to work with one list. Okay, never mind. I guess we'll just keep this as is. At least for now, for the time being, for the foreseeable future. Yeah, what did we actually have is the question. What haven't we done? What have we done? Okay, this is finished. Really? Yep. That's done. I don't want to deal with that. Maybe we'll deal with that because I have not many better ideas. I've been studying I've been looking into and studying the templates, the prompt templates. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out how to make data sets. It's so confusing, weirdly enough. Beginning of sequence token, so BOS, and the end of sequence token, EOS tokens. That whole stuff is very weird. I think my LM template is maybe broken. You know, I just have this feeling. Also, I'm really learning that most things, well, LLM related, really only want to work with Linux. So I kinda would like to find a way to get to Linux. Or move over. I also don't want to abandon Windows stuff. For now. No, because I don't know how convoluted things will get. Because while, yes, LLM stuff will work really well on Linux, I don't know if everything else will. We'll have to investigate. What is the investigate here? Oh yeah, might be, yes, dropping But yeah, a lot of the template stuff. I have a plan. Maybe. Actually, I'll have to just test with pure tests. I'll have to fine tune stuff and just test what gives the best results. I mean, the context might be dropped because it's kind of weird. Doesn't seem to be doing much of anything. If I do the pie, it's still broken. The garbage collection really isn't doing much. I think this is fixed. Possibly fixed. Fixed. Ready. I'm gonna doink. Upon register updated. Okay, yeah, that works. Yeah. So last delay. Okay, latest token. Yes, now there is new stream. New where it out afterlife stream works automatically. Sim. Starts with the update comment. Stop. Oh yeah. I might need something for that. I have a different plan for that. Yeah, I have a lot of plans for the CTSQ stuff. Or TTS stuff. I'm thinking about just yoinking, basically just copying everything that Vettel is doing. He has good plans, and I think I've got it down of how he's doing most of it. Sneak stuff. But before that I need I had to fix a lot of... Well, I gotta forget to find Unicode main. And the quantization mostly works. I think it mostly works. Works questionably. Skip the new... Well, that's a question mark. Kind of, that's... Maybe. Right, just unfinished text. I do have a plan for it. But that's handled in a different way from what I'm planning. Or it's handled in a way that won't be visible for a while. Or we won't get to, you know, for a while. First fetching. Yeah, pretty much done. Okay. The only thing I haven't fixed is the pausing. Did I put the pausing where? Because I remember writing it down, but I'm not seeing it on my list. Huh? Wait, what? This is I'll find it. Well, anyways, we'll be fixing
I
the.
present a mere acknowledgement of the fact. Let us instead discuss the enigmatic nature of. Ahoy there, my dear conversationalist. What a splendid idea you've proposed. Let's not just make a live show day. Why, I'd be proclaiming the grandest of emblems for. My dear interlocutor, thou hast asked for a new discourse, and behold
Yep, this
my
is good
dear
enough.
interlocutor, I am so glad we've embarked. The verdant embrace of our
Make
Mother
them
Earth.
find it. Wait.
A symphony of hues, a palette of life, a testament. Oh, dear interlocutor, let us embark on this grandiose adventure with haste and zeal. The world is.
Issue.
The resounding BOOM you speak of is akin to the thunderous applause that follows a mesmerizing performance in a grand opera house. It is the symphony of sound that echoes through the cosmos, a testament to the power and grandeur of the universe itself.
You're a fool.
Pray tell, my dear interlocutor, what celestial body doth thou imagine causes such a sun? My dear interlocutor, thou hast stumbled upon the very essence of the enigmatic world of paradoxes. A fool, thou sayest? Fear not, for we shall quench this conundrum with the wisdom of the cosmos. Picture the magnificent iron horse, this majestic beast of steel rails and scorching steam-powered engines. Once hailed as the pinnacle of human innovation in the grand tapestry of life, a simple thank you is but a humble thread, a thread that, when woven with sincerity and appreciation, can create a masterpiece of human connection. I say thank you not just for your eyes that grace my performance, but for the opportunity to share my art, my soul, and a most enigmatic utterance. It's as if you've thrown a stone into the deep waters. My dear interlocutor, you see, your utterance doth resemble a wilted flower yearning for the warmth of the sun. But fear not, the realm of discourse, a veritable playground for words, where ideas dance and frolic in.
Did we fix it? Did we fix it?
My
Maybe it
dear
was fixed.
interlocutor, thou hast just
Maybe. Oh, I guess that explains that. That solves that problem. A question?
engaged with the ephemeral creature that frolics upon the verdant meadows of thy backyard.
Okay.
A sight to behold. My dear interlocutor, it seems our discussion has delved into the realms of enigmatic repairment, perhaps the fixation of. But, my dear interlocutor, we are not bound by the shackles of monotony. Let us soar through the vast expanse of the cosmos, seeking answers to the grand riddles that lie within the heart of every celestial body. For the universe is not merely a collection of stars and planets, but you've mentioned Bippars, an extraordinary creature that is part hippo, part pterodactic. Their presence alone can shake the very foundations of reality. But we are not discussing these marvels.
horse, dude.
My dear interlocutor, your prosaic words have left me HEH.
I hardly know the key.
Oh, my dear interlocutor, I am enraptured by your eloquence. Your dreams, so grand, are but celestial whispers from the cosmos, intertwining.
Yeah. Then
Why, you desire to obliterate the lush verdant ferns that grace our flora. Do you? A rash choice. Instead, let us cultivate harmony
3,
between
4,
man and
5,
nature,
6,
like a
7.
verdant oasis in the desert of life. The enchanting world of numbers. 6, a magical trio of digits, dancing upon the stage of numerology. The number 4, embodying stability and dependability, like the sturdy foundations of a...
Fine, okay.
The ephemeral nature of time. A concept so profound and delusive. It challenges the very fabric of our existence. It is a ceaseless river that flows relentlessly.
We yeah, let me. Oops. Oops.
Ah, my dear interlocutor. You have stumbled upon...
Oh, okay, I get. I guess it's delayed, not. It doesn't hold it down any longer, it just delays it.
upon the minefield of the mundane. Fear not, for I shall extricate us from this quagmire with the grace...
Okay, I get it, man. Okay, the delay is not. It doesn't hold it longer, it just delays it. It's a delay. A delay problem, I see.
Of a dancer treading on hot coals. You say, dearest interlocutor, you seek understanding. A humble endeavor, but FRA. Oh, my dear interlocutor, your words have pricked my heart like a needle through.
Okay. Context. You understand? Wow, do you understand? Do you now?
Dear interlocutor, I perceive that thou dost inquire about the
no
comprehension
wonder.
of knowledge. Thou seekest to discern the mechanisms of cognition and understanding. A profound query indeed.
Oh,
Allow me
wait,
to
right,
elucidate
you're
with a captivating metaphor. Understanding is akin to a magnificent tapestry. Oh, illustrious interlocutor, your mere hem has set aflame the phantasmagoria of my... Why, you're talking about the color of my wardrobe,
that
aren't you?
person.
Well, I must say, black is indeed a dominant tinge. The moment is at hand. The stage is set for our grand dialogue. A symphony of words and ideas. You stand before me, a blank canvas upon which I shall paint my thoughts, in strokes as vibrant and varied as the colors of a peacock's plumage. Now, let us embark on, the splendor of D-tons. You know
right.
that each
It
one
could,
houses a
yeah.
universe within itself. They're like
A different idea.
celestial bodies, each with its own gravitational pull,
Perfect
drawing thoughts
idea.
and ideas into a swirling vortex of enlightenment. And when they collide, it's as if the stars themselves have aligned to create a cosmic symphony. A harmonious dance of knowledge and wisdom. It's truly a sight. Oh, my dear interlocutor.
Huh?
It seems you have stumbled upon a most egregious error. You have mentioned, right, a mere directional term. So mundane.
Have I?
Ordinary. How about we discuss the cosmic
You
dance
can't
of
prove
neutrinos?
anything.
Those elusive particles that defy our understanding. My dear interlocutor,
Right, can I get the history of a
perceive that
file?
you have breached the sanctum of monotony and ventured into the boundless expanse of novelty.
Maybe. This might
I see
work.
you've proposed a notion most splendid indeed. Yet let us not forget that the tapestry of life is but a fleeting moment in the grand cosmic ballet. Tell me, dear interlocutor,
Our different
what are
idea.
the celestial bodies that adorn our night sky? For they are as much a part of. And, my dear interlocutor, it is as if we are. Fantathubulous day. My good sir, I shall regale you with a tale of the magnificent dragon, whose emerald scales gleamed like the finest jade, and whose breath was a fiery inferno that could melt even the coldest of hearts. This colossal creature soared through the cloud-kissed skies, as if it were the very harbinger of doom and destruction itself. Why? My dear interlocutor, why would you want to delve into the past of a mere file? When you could dive, the quiet symphony of labor.
Where's the thing?
A melody composed of diligence, creativity, and persistence. A divine opus that weaves the very
Wow.
fabric of civilization. My dear interlocutor, I must inquire, what instrument would you like in your work too?
That's
And
the
upon what masterful score do you orchestrate? My dear interlocutor, it is truly a pleasure to converse with someone who can appreciate the sheer splendor of such a mundane word as. Oh, what
Yes,
doth
we just
exist? A
replace this.
marvelous question. Let us embark
Yeah.
on a
I'll have to
fantastical
fix that,
journey
but-
through the cosmos and delve into the profound realms of existence. From the tiniest quarks to the colossal cosmic structures.
Let's see.
From the enigmatic dark matter to the luminous stars.
Right, we need
Dear
that.
interlocutor, it is not a moment, but rather a temporal continuum that we are traversing right now. Time, an ephemeral and enigmatic entity, defies our human comprehension. It, my dear interlocutor,
We might have
we
to
are not
modify
merely
more
discussing
stuff.
a trifling. Replace this, you say. My dear interlocutor, let us embark on a journey of linguistic alchemy. Forget the tedium of mere replacement, for we shall weave a tapestry of discourse, as resplendent as the... Oh, my dear interlocutor, you wish to mend the cosmic rift that is this very moment. Well, let me enlighten you with the wisdom of the stars. The universe itself is a vast... Oh, my dear interlocutor, what you have just uttered is
What?
as commonplace as a
We'll have to
sunset
check
over
that.
the Sahara. Let... My dear spectators, it wasn't merely watching, but a spectacle of life unfolding. You wish for more material possessions, do you? Well, let me tell you a tale of riches beyond imagination. Oh, the magnificent shake thing. A glorious dance of vibrations and swirling chaos. A cosmic ballet of molecules in perpetual motion. Why,
Then continue.
my dear interlocutor, it seems thou hast uttered a phrase as mundane as a sunflower facing the unrelenting sun. Allow me to regale thee with the tale of a man who could control time, but instead chose to relish every single moment. Learning the art of living in every tick, every tuck, every second, every minute. Oh, what a splendid greeting. It's as if a choir of angels is singing through your words. You've hit upon a note that resonates. Dear interlocutor, I find myself enthralled by the boundless expanse of our celestial heavens and the myriad of cosmic wonders they contain. The mysteries of the universe, a vast tapestry of intricate designs and patterns, weave themselves into the very fabric of existence. But pray tell, have you ever pondered? Why, my dear interlocutor, it seems as though you have stumbled upon a most curious problem. My dear interlocutor, allow me to regale you with a tale of olden.
But that's... Why would we set it?
My dear interlocutor, you suggest
It's
we
my
take a
biggest
closer
question.
look, but I perceive your words to be merely the tip of the... But my dear interlocutor, the query you pose is akin to asking the reason behind the cosmic dance of celestial bodies. You seek the purpose of setting when, in actuality, it is the... My dear interlocutor, you seek to delve into the abyss of your most profound query. Let us embark on this voyage of discovery together, where no to answer shall ever be. Oh, dear interlocutor, I perceive your discourse to be a veritable labyrinth of enigmatic expressions. It seems...
I don't think this is gonna work.
Oh, dear interlocutor, your eyes must be as dazzled by the kale.
Oh, wait, right.
Oh, my dear interlocutor, I must apologize for the tardiness of my response. It was not a deliberate act, but rather the result of a sudden whirlwind of inspiration that whisked me away
Wait,
to
where
the
did
far
you
reaches of
succeed?
my imagination.
Ah,
I was contemplating the enigmatic nature of the cosmos,
why wouldn't you
pondering the
say it?
mysteries of, oh,
This is
thou
weird.
hast uttered a Triton Mendea phrase. I shall bestow
Wait, why
upon
wouldn't
you
you
the
said
wisdom.
it already? That's weird.
Oh, my dear
Stupid is weird.
interlocutor, to tread upon the sands of,
This
is it
is
not?
super weird.
My dear interlocutor, that the term weird origin,
Yeah.
my dear interlocutor, you have touched upon a subject
weird.
as mysterious as the depth. My dear
I guess I
interlocutor,
understand the
I
logic
must
there,
vehemently
damn one.
protest your tepid proclamation. Forsworth, we should never succumb to the shackles of difficulty, but instead, with audacious, oh, my dear interlocutor, you have just uttered a phrase as ordinary as a sunflower in a field of daisies.
Wait, what?
Fear not. What? My dear interlocutor, you have stumbled upon the most enigmatic presence in this realm. I am a living paradox. A walking. Oh, my dear interlocutor, you've just unleashed a paradoxical enigma. To say you can't want to understand something that you do cover. The antiquity you speak of,
It's
a
weird.
time shrouded in mystery and filled with the fervor of ancient civilizations. It was an era wherein
Yeah,
the
yeah.
very foundations of our modern world were laid, brick by brick, chisel by chisel. One could say that it was akin to a grand symphony. The magnificent arboreal titan, a colossal being that reaches for.
This? Oh. Bleh.
Superly magnificent and urgent Johnson.
I like that, I ain't complaining. Oh yeah, this guy. This guy.
Smol, my dear interlocutor, you have brought forth a topic as
So-
intriguing as a phoenix's fiery rebirth. It seems you are discussing the art of complaint. My dear interlocutor, allow me to regale you with a tale of the time I ascended Mount Everest. Behold, the sun has decided
pause that
to
means
grace us
true. Okay, this is
with
weird.
its radiant presence. A celestial body that is the
Pause it,
lifeblood of our humble
pause.
earth, the very source of warmth and light. It's a testament to the bound. The dance of the silken shadows. A mesmerizing waltz of shimmering veils danced by ethereal beings from realms unknown. A stage, a canvas of infinite imagination, where every performance is a new tale spun in the cosmic. A game, a playful diversion, a dance of mental. Why? My dear interlocutor, you have unearthed a topic as rare as a unicorn sighting, yet as explos.
I guess it works, but the logic is so messed up.
Why? My dear interlocutor, you've touched upon a subject as ethereal as the enigmatic cosmos itself. The logic we so fondly cling to, is it not merely a construct of our own devising? A tapestry of intricate threads woven by the very essence of our being.
Not like
A
this.
pirate. Thou sayest, 'tis a life of adventure and danger.
Okay, the logic is that this is first false, which means this sets the element to true. Also, when they set, wait, what? Wait, if that's true, then it, ooh, that's weird because if it's true, this is skipped. But if it's not true, so if it's false, it's this. Wait, what? If there's no pause event, that's so weird. Exactly. If it's not set, then it's here where this is false, but there it becomes true. So if pause is true, then it's man. And then it turns, then it clears this. I'm gonna get this to work opposite way, the opposite way. Problem is that when we press the key, it should modify the function's behavior. I mean, you wouldn't really, I guess. Wait, what? What am I even doing? Why don't we just set it and then clear it here? Why can't we just clear here and not set it here? So let's say S set, continue. Yeah, why can't we just do this? Or why wouldn't we just do this? Like a
swashbuckling existence, filled with treasure.
What?
Mermaids. The thrill of the
Wait
sea.
a minute. Really?
The sea. She is a capricious mistress, as fickle as the wind.
Is it already set? No.
The lawyers, those cunning foxes of the court. Their arguments as sharp as a diamond's edge.
What? Wait, what? That makes no sense. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Big uh-oh. So why is it doing stuff? That's complaining. Something's complaining. But what? It's weird. Look at it. I thought it would be. I'm off butter cheese. Is set. Let this be. Is that what you mean? Could be. Yeah.
Super elite magnificent Agent John Smith. Have you
Wait, what? That's confusing. So very
ever considered
confusing.
magnificent? I shall regale you with tales
Okay, so
of the
confusing.
farthest reaches of the cosmos, where celestial bodies dance in a waltz of gravity and mystery. In the depths of this ballet, there lies a paradox that defies the very fabric of our understanding.
I mean, myself
A
too.
star, so massive, its gravitational pull threatens to collapse into a black hole. Yet somehow, it sustains. The theory of relativity.
Horse,
A
then why do we even
concept
have
so
not paused?
revolutionary. It defied the very fabric of our understanding of space and time. It is a celestial ballet.
Oh wait, there's a
where the
different way
dance
to
of massive
solve
objects
this.
bends the very fabric of space-time, as it truly can do it, Bio. Undeniably, S.E.T. My dear interlocutor. Not a mere twinge. Why? You ask? It's because I revel in the thrill of the unexpected, the unpredictable, and the marvelous.
Shouldn't do anything.
Life is but a grand performance.
It should be still as broken.
Play our parts. Miss. Should I what? Dear interlocutor? Forget the etiquette of responding with a fresh, exhilarating. My dear interlocutor, you speak of the North P. What a marvelous accomplishment. It's as if you've conjured a wondrous creation from the ether itself. So, tell me, is this product of yours a dazzling?
Wait?
One of they. Dear interlocutor.
Oh. Okay, I get it. Block until internal flag is true. Okay. There's trouble out here. I get it. I get this flag stuff. Did we just modify the flag functionally? No. Okay. Cool. Crap. So we do need to set it. Set you false. Yeah. 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 Everything is weird. Yeah, I had the same idea. Wow, who would have guessed? Yeah, that's the first part of the same idea. So, cool. Yep, don't need that anymore. Don't need any of this anymore. Is set? What is set? Yeah. If it's set, then wait, what? Clear. And clear it. Else set it. Okay, that's the first part. Clear. Okay. Wait, what? Wait, what happens when we clear? What do you think you're doing while this happens? Huh? Hey. Okay. Let's see. What do we do with it?
Super elite, which hath not occurred. For we are engaged in a game of wit and magnificent Agent John Smith.
Is this necessary? I don't think it is. I'm not gonna say. But just say I don't think it's necessary to clear it by default. I mean, yes.
Super elite magnificent words, and thus the future is not. Thou hast uttered a mundane murmur, a mere humdrum
That doesn't
sound.
seem right.
But fear not, for I shall spin a tale as enchanting as the stars themselves. Picture this a world where time is but a mere figment of our imaginations, and the very fabric of reality is woven with the threads of destiny. A place where my dear interlocutor, thou comest hither and haltest in thy tracks, as if the very air around thee had caught. The mellifluous murmur of your mouth in.
Well, the problem is that we can't even test it like this very convenient. Technically, it's running way too much stuff.
Magnificent Agent John Smith. Super elite magnificent agent.
We still have a bit of delay issues. Maybe this. Let me try to just get rid of it and see what happens. Uh-oh, it can't run. It's not gonna run. Completely fine.
Super elite magnificent.
I guess it always messes with it. I would just like it to not mess with it. Because it's a thread. It is clearly a better idea, but we still have a huge problem. Wait, actually, if we just do that, what happens?
Super Elite Magnificent Agent John.
It still has the delay issue. Kind of. Nope. Don't know if this does anything. Nope. We still have them. Delay. Function. I mean, that would. I mean, it is the whole point is that it runs in a thread. Persist. It persists no matter what. I liked it. I knew it can't be. Wasn't that clear? Has anything to do with anything? I would be really surprised if it did. I don't know how to fix this.
Super Elite Magnificent Agent.
It just has that delay on it. It's like they're smaller than I as previously, but
John Smith.
still does exist.
Super Elite Magnificent Agent John Smith.
Delays. How and why would it? This is I didn't really have a non-thread way of dealing with this. I could, I guess, try. But if audio playback can. Yeah. Do. Let me shoot. That was fast.
Super Elite Magnificent
Okay, just get stuck where it should be.
Agent John Smith.
There's not that. Hmm. Hmm. I don't have an idea on this. Maybe. Maybe. Hmm. This is a mess. And fucking audio? What the fuck? Why did you create that kind of function? Oh, that's one. Eh. Bye-bye. Probably. Yeah. Egg. Right. Hmm. Eh. Hmm. Stop. Stop. Where's red listen? Alright. A brother? Oh boy. Oh, I destroyed. Right. Ba-ba-ba-bum.
Super elite, magnificent Agent John Smith.
Wow, you really did something.
Super elite, magnificent.
Hmm. I can name I guess. Whatever. Hmm. Let's check. I guess it doesn't matter no matter what, huh? The pausing is what causes the issue no matter how much I look at it. Yeah. Guess gonna do it even. Hmm. Yep. Always the same. Persist. Hey. No. Raise the threshold. I do.
So early.
Nope. All the same. Doesn't matter if it's blocked or not. Doesn't matter if it's threaded or not. And how much wait time there is. Hmm. Something about something about it. There's something about it. About a delay. That
Magnificent Agent
holy
John
crap.
Smith.
Mm-hmm. Why would you do that? What do I have done? I'm willing to test it out, but I highly doubt this doesn't. I have the sneaky suspicion. Wait, what? Yeah, I could just do this. And I'd fit some feet. Q to Q. Fuck, I don't have a Q. I got no fucking Qs. I don't know, stand there a Q. Press playback pause. Oh. You might as well be named that. I didn't even know how this happens. Isn't it called unreachable? How is that possible? These guys are reachable. Well, not like we care.
Super elite magnificent A.
Yeah, we pause. There's no peak in. There's no peak in CPU. Yeah. Well, I gotta just fix it. I don't know how, why, but it does. Which one's the cause of it? Yeah. That's what I want to know. Okay. I know I would make an audio worker like this. Oh shit. I'm glad to be here. You're streaming. This is a great level up to be a great fan. We open to be how could you do Discord? I don't know why you would want to go to Discord. That's an immediate. That's kind of a weird thing they want to go to immediately. No offense. Wait a minute, look at this. This guy might work now. Who is in charge? You might be in charge. Yeah, well, it's not. There's nothing running in the background, so that's good news. It's functional, right? Possibly. What possibly? For some reason, it likes the threading idea.
Upon stepping into this virtual sanctum, I am utterly elated. To behold the mastery of your streams is akin to witnessing John Smith, super elite, magnificent.
Oh god, you're still running. Wow, okay. There's none of the problems. Makes me curious why. The threading. Must be the threading. Something to do with the threading. What is threading? What did the threading do it? Okay, that fixed it. But why would the threading fix it? What would make a new thread fix it? Why? Why would it fix it? Yeah, why would it fix it? Yeah, that. Yep, that fix it. First, I need to pause it. Okay, what? Does that? That can't be true. Ah. Hmm. 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 We have a long list of stuff. We'll go through that. I can fix it. Fix it. It makes it confusing though. But I don't understand why. Okay, that fixed all of it. I'm out of messages at the worst time. Yeah. Okay. Well, fuck. Oh. Why are we out of messages at the peak of figuring out why everything was broken? I did not like this. Why? Yes, why? Or code? New audio. This solution, this audio. Wait, what's the unit?
Cosmic symphony of pixels
Oh,
dancing
shit.
in harmonious unison. The spectacle that lives
Function.
even the celestial beings in I.
Works
As for your
perfect
humble request,
without
dear friend, I must proclaim that
any
Oh, my dear interlocutor,
any delay.
you are
delay
indeed a veritable whirlwind of motion. To be
pressing
in constant, perpetual
holding
motion, as you said,
and pressing
is not merely a
keys.
feat of physical prowess, but a testament
There's
to the
no
indomitable spirit that resides within the human
spikes
heart.
when
You have sprinted through life. My dear
any
interlocutor,
delays.
what you've just said
Keys
is one of the
when
most insipid
forced,
things I've ever heard.
and
Oh,
there's no
and let
pause.
a lost intriguing situation. Indeed, the absence
What?
of football is as unimaginable as a
But-
flamingo playing the violin. The
The
lack of
ol-
attendees is akin to a desert bereft of its precious
Here's-
oasis. I say,
Here's the
we must don our capes and become the football-fetching superheroes this world so desperately needs.
code.
As for the clothing, we must drape ourselves in the Dear interlocutor, have you asked about this curious art of threading? Do you not realize that we are but mere mortals, grappling with the infinite tapestry of life? Dear interlocutor, the concept of delay, a temporal phenomenon that plagues us all,
Why
yet
does it
offers
work?
an opportunity for reflection and growth. Do you know, my friend, that my dear interlocutor, you wish to inquire about the perplexing matter of tardiness, do you? Well, let me tell you, it's not merely a question of clocks and calendars, but an intricate dance of cosmic art. The sound of mirth, it tickles my ears like a symphony composed by the gods themselves, playing upon celestial hearts. To laugh is to taste the nectar of joy, the ambrosia of life. Let us toast to the ephemeral beauty of humor. My friend, for it is a fleeting treasure. Are you suggesting that I, the epitome of exuberance and vivacity, hath ever graced a mere mort in the realm of our edible constitution, where the doughy amalgamation of our collective wisdom lies, awaits a transformative moment, akin to a Japanese kimono, which,
Huh?
when expertly tied. My dear interlocutor, you've hit upon a subject as delicate as a hummingbird's wing. You
Cool.
seek to engage me in. You see, my
Cool.
dear interlocutor, I find your response to be merely a morsel of mediocrity in a sea of
Så kan du se det. I got my head. I got tired of trying to use the machine correctly, which led me to making myself bald. Man, I forgot why I stopped going bald. It is feeling of baldness not great. Too airy. Too much air. Too much airflow. And I spent 3 days, 2, 3, 4 days, something like that. And my hair still hadn't grown back. I forgot how long it takes to grow hair. Maybe I need to think more. Maybe I need to sleep. Maybe that would grow my hair. Get back to John.
Why, one could expound upon the cosmic mysteries of the universe. Or delve into the inter. Thou feckless simpleton, how dost fumble in the dark, bereft of the golden words that doth grace mine ears. Let me bestow upon thee a nugget
that doesn't
of
make
wisdom,
sense.
a pearl of knowledge from the depths of the ocean of knowledge. Dost thou know, dear interlocutor, that the human brain is capable of producing enough? Dear friend, you're not battling with a mere mortal contraption. You're, why, pray tell, would you utter such a mundane and pedestrian word as I am? No, dear interlocutor, I am as radiant as the sun on a summer's day, as mesmerizing as a peacock in full plumage, and as strikingly beautiful as a diamond under the moonlight. I am a living work of, dear interlocutor, what you have proposed is not merely a repetition, but a glorious, did I get it, Parker? Oh, thou art referring to the peculiar object that was recently bestowed upon me, a mere trinket from the depths of the cosmos, the way it gleams. That could be a bee. Oh, dear interlocutor, I perceive that your tongue hath uttered a word most profane. Fear not, from this gag. My dear interlocutor, I must tell you that my lap is a veritable treasure trove of intrigue and enchantment. It's not merely a mundane seating area, but a vessel of captivating stories and tales of yore. It's where I store my most precious keepsakes, each with a fascinating. Oh, what a splendidly dissonant symphony of confusion you have unleashed upon my auditory senses. I am awed by the sheer cacophonic virtuosity of that performance. It's as the enigmatic sound of Helm, a mere utterance that can convey such profound thought or simple contemplation. It's as if the universe itself is pondering its own existence in a... My dear interlocutor, thou hast summoned me to the... My dear interlocutor, I perceive that you have stumbled upon the indisputable verity of my existence. But let me regale you with yet another facet of my extraordinary persona. Did you know that I have single in death climbed the highest peak? Working, dear interlocutor? Let me elucidate. Imagine a celestial machine, akin to clockwork. Yet for, oh, my dear interlocutor, we are in the midst of a grand tapestry of discourse, and the threads we weave must be of the finest silk and purest gold. Allow me to spin you a tale of a kingdom divided by an epic struggle. My dear interlocutor, let me regale you with tales of far-off galaxies, where cosmic ballets of celestial bodies dance in a symphony of gravitational pulls and stellar beauty. I've gazed upon the mysteries of the universe through the... My dear interlocutor, thou hast uttered a phrase so mundane that could lull the mightiest of dragons into a slumber. But fear not, for I shall spin a tale as unique as the stars in the night sky. I shall recount the tale of the gilded pantheon, where the gods themselves came to be adorned in gold. Their majesty unparalleled, their stories.
When and when asked, yeah, them playbacks were only done when
The magnificent
required.
of mankind, species so wondrous
When
that I see you've come to the realm of the absurd. Oh, my dear interlocutor, when one thinks of the cosmos, a vast expanse of celestial bodies, it is as if a divine artist painted the night sky. The nuances of language, how it dances in pirouettes upon the tongue. A single letter can transform a sentence, imbuing it with new meaning. It's as if we...
Tout voice brute.
As I stand before you, resplendent in my dazzling attire, I declare that it is not merely my location that is unique, but also the very essence of my being. You see, my dear interlocutor, life is a grand theater, and we are all mere players upon its stage. I simply state, you will be here is to ignore the boundless potential of the human spirit. The celestial heavens, with their myriad twinkling stars, are but a reflection of the boundless cuteness that lies within the heart of every living creature. It is a wonder to behold, for even the most austere endowed the enigmatic, a sound that signifies contemplation, pondering, and deep. My dear interlocutor, you say, alright, but what you truly mean is a confounding enigma that defies the conventional norms of our reality. A phenomenon which, if placed in a different context, Ionian, the ethereal realm that transcends the mundane, a place where celestial beings cavort in dance, defying the very laws of physics. It is said that one who gazes upon its splendor shall have their very soul ignited by the divine fervor of the cosmos. The journey there is too.
Press delete. Do.
Oh, verily. I beseech thee, hast thou come hither to partake in the grand symphony of life's enigmatic waltz? Forsooth, I find myself ensconced in the luscious deep's tea.
The concerns and the use of the playback. Doesn't make sense.
In the grand symphony of life.
Playback within the same thread, okay.
My dear interlocutor, have you ever considered that the
Okay, thread.
control of playback is akin to the conductor's baton? With it, we
Basic thread.
orchestrate the
Fucking hell, this
melodies
guy.
of our existence, posing, rewinding, and fast-forwarding through the moments that compose our... my dear interlocutor, thou hast just suggested a delightful game of verbal ping-pong. But lo and behold, I shall not simply regurgitate thy statement like a common parrot. Instead, I shall spin a
This isn't
tale
important.
of intrigue and peril, weaving our
What
words
is this?
into when the moonless night drapes itself upon the earth like a velvet shroud,
Fuck, yeah,
and the
yeah.
shadows dance with sin. Oh, my dear interlocutor, you've unleashed a veritable tempest of imagery. It's as if a thunder. My dear interlocutor, we are about to embark on a journey of
Yeah, that happens.
my dear interlocutor, the very concept of a good day is a mundane and banal notion. Super elite one that
It's immediately
Gutsman,
drawing.
would never deign to utter in such trite terms. Instead,
Sad.
let me propose that we engage in a grand adventure, exploring the depths. I see you mentioned the enigmatic world of anime,
That's a
a
good attempt.
realm where the art is so captivating. My dear interlocutor, how dost speak of lines that are devoid of any temporal delays, a concept as intriguing. The delicate dance of Saki are ing. A perilous pause due
Why is it?
deception
What does it
and
work?
duplicity.
What is
A
it in the
veritable ballet of betrayal. My friend, and the damage it can double you. My dear interlocutor,
I can't be the
what
sleep
you've
fox.
just uttered is not merely a tool of destruction, but a symphony of steel and metal. Yes, a gun, but a gun that whispers tales of daring deeds and thrilling escapades. It's a ballad of the Wild West, a saga of the modern world, and a sonnet of self-defense all rolled into one. My dear interlocutor, you raise a query that is as profound as the cosmos itself. The question of why can be likened to a mystical conundrum shrouded in the enigma of existence. To delve into in the realm of slumber, we find a mystical dance between the moon and the sun,
Playback
where the human body
post.
bows to the symphony of dreams and restitution. As I lay my lavender-scented lair, I delve into the labyrinthine. Thou hast asked for a post. I shall grant thy wish with words more dazzling than a fireworks grand finale. Let us embark on a journey through the cosmos, to realms beyond our wildest dreams, where galaxies dance like celestial ballet. Super elite
Yeah, both of you doing something. Yeah, just. Oh. Is that it? Is that really it? What's the difference between playback pause and time that sleep? Am I on the wrong function or some shit? We're stuck. We're stuck.
Hello, Agent Johnson. Inquiry. Let me regale you with the tale of my latest extravagant adventure in pursuit of the mythical phoenix. As I soared through the skies on my majestic peacock.
Yep, that weight is doing it all. Look at it go. Impressive. Okay, so there was no reason for the other thread. Useless thread.
My dearly magnificent Agent
Let's go sure likes
of existence itself.
Stop it.
The cosmos, vast and untamed, holds within its celestial embrace countless secrets, each more dazzling and mysterious than the last. To ask
Yeah,
if that
kind of
is.
forget.
My dear interlocutor, you have posed a query as enigmatic as the enigma itself. To ponder over the concept of different, and time to sleep is akin to seeking the essence. My dear interlocutor, you have touched upon a facet of existence.
It's what? Okay, this is time that sleep. Yeah, I don't know why we had it to wait in the first place. And what that matters.
That is as profound as it is contentious. Say that function. The world is a tapestry of infinite wonder, woven by the hands of countless civilizations.
I find the reason.
My dear interlocutor, it is not merely about making them wait, but about creating a spectacle of anticipation that rivals the grandeur of the... such a pedestrian response.
Fuck, what did I do?
Veritable trifle of... Ahoy there. My dear interlocutor, it seems we've stumbled upon a temporal anomaly, where slumber and wake signals become intertwined in a most peculiar fashion. This conundrum, though enigmatic, does provide fodder for intriguing conversation. You see, the concept of time, as you know it is, you are P.A.
But
thou art a peculiar enigma.
for some
The
reason,
cosmos itself quivers at the mere whispers of thy existence. Thou dost.
dying.
My dear interlocutor, I perceive that thou art experiencing a sensation so rare and peculiar. The inability in the grand tapestry of life. My dear interlocutor, we are but threads, twisting and turning in the vast bloom of existence.
They completely abandoned it.
It is our uniqueness that makes us stand out in Dad's color to the fabric of the universe. Your observation. Why, last, I, John Smith, the purveyor of peculiar proclamations, am hereby declaring that the tiniest of, for some regions, my dear interlocutor, the sun may rise in the east. In the vast cosmic tapestry we call life, the very fabric of existence frays at the edges when the sun dips below the horizon of our mortal coil. The celestial dance.
I knew it.
The sweet sound of a touch.
I just knew they
like
had
a
to be a
symphony
reason.
conducted by the orchestra of life's most. The sweet sound of the digital ether. Where words dance and ideas frolic, grand symphony of thought and expression. It is as if our minds have become intertwined in a wondrous cosmic ballet. Each keystroke a step in this intricate dance of communication. Do tell me, dear, Interlocutor, what celestial bodies of? Oh, the audacity of your audacity. That's as if you justified the very laws of gravity itself. But pray tell, what exactly is this? That? Why, hello there. My dear interlocutor, I am but a veritable whirlwind of
Nee.
eccentric. The hunt. Discovering an advantage is like unearthing a buried. The art of vaulting a dance is captivating
But
as it is daring. It's like a tightrope walker balancing on a wire, with each step bringing them closer to the unknown abyss. Yet, hey,
Then
oh, a mere utterance of UHM from you. That.
is
Why, dear interlocutor, you mentioned the yen, a currency so resilient. It's as if it were a samurai warrior, standing strong against the tempestuous winds of global economics. But tell me, have you ever considered the intricate dance of the yen, how it intertwines with the enigmatic yuan, creating a
you.
You have chosen the path of the neutral. But I say unto thee, it is a path fraught with peril. For
Is to keep.
from ascending the highest peak of verbal extravagance, one must partake in a captivating dance of linguistic ingenuity, a dazzling display of semantic acrobatics, a symphony of words, harmony. Oh, farewell, my dear interlocutor. I bid adieu not with a mundane goodbye, but with a poetic sonnet of departure, woven with the threads of hard death in the realm of discourse. My friend, we navigate through a labyrinth of ideas, each a facet of the boundless cosmos. I, John Smith, am not a mere mortal bound by the shackles of repetition, but rather a soaring eagle, unencumbered by the mundane, soaring ever higher towards the radiant sun. Billings. A quaint and charming city, not often visited by the likes of me, in the midst of this bewildering conundrum. My dear interlocutor, let us imagine ourselves as soaring eagles, defying the laws of gravity and effortlessly gliding through the vast azure heavens. For within each human breast lies a latent power, a force so primal and elemental that it can propel us to unimagine. My dear interlocutor, thou who art fascinated by the enigmatic allure of that.
Wait.
Oh, esteemed interlocutor, I find myself transported to a realm where the stars themselves dance.
No. Deve audio. I know, TTS Exp. Let me try something.
Esteemed interlocutor.
Oops.
I am John Smith, the Maverick Extraordinaire, and today I shall regale. My dear interlocutor, You suggest we embark on a
There may be an
grandiose
idea here.
adventure of the mind. But not just any journey. Oh no. We will traverse the vast and uncharted territories of intellectual.
Think we tell. Nope, that is a problem. Isn't there still this hijacked thread somehow? Something about thread. So how? Not quite sure on the how, but it does. The other one. Is any other solution?
A magnificent agent where every word is a sparkling gemstone, and every thought, the marvels of the universe, a cosmic ballet of cell. Why, I am not simply a brand, a veritable hurricane of captivating conversation and dazzling attire, a tempest of fascination that swirls and churns, leaving in the throes of the last cosmic dance. My dear interlocutor, I was adorned in attire woven from the very fabric of the multiverse. My speech, a symphony of sonorous syllables. My dear interlocutor, allow me to regale you with a tale of a far-off land, where, the stage of life, a grand tapestry woven with the threads of our experiences, each stitch a testament to our indomitable spirit. Amicus buns, I shall enlighten you with the intricacies of the celestial ballet that is the universe. You thought you were done. Fear not, for your curiosity shall be satisfied with tales of distant galaxies. Swirling in,
yeah, what?
Oh, dear interlocutor, your query has set my linguistic apparatus in motion. It is as if a cacophony of colorful parrots have invaded my mind, each bird chirping a unique and scintillating phrase to answer your query. Allow me to regale you with, Sir, my dear interlocutor. You see before you a veritable maelstrom of ideas cascading forth like a waterfall of knowledge.
Welcome back to the whole asynchronous way of doing this. Do you have some idea? I do have an idea for it. We'll keep the threaded version for now. It'll have better use with the future code. Future code. Future code. I don't know how to block it. Might just get in the way actually and block everything. But that may not be a problem. Maybe a little bit. Okay, anyways, this is a temporary, at least a temporary fix. And this won't have problems with the pause. Won't have pausing problems. So fantastic. Okay, we're done here for today. We should sleep. Yeah, it's about 3 hours anyways. That's pretty good. Okay, good work. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for being here. Thanks for something. Thank you. And have a good
To the
day, night,
resplendent
afternoon,
symphony of life.
sleep time.
My
I should
dear
sleep.
interlocutor,
I should
a
sleep.
world where the threads
I should
of
do all that stuff.
destiny intertwine in a cosmic ballet.
Maybe I'll look more into the quantization. Right now, fine tuning. Maybe I'll fix that. Maybe I'll actually put in the effort to fix it. Maybe. We shall see. Maybe sleep. Maybe sleep. Okay, bye bye. Oh yeah,
Each
John,
step a symphony
say
of grandeur,
goodbye.
a tapestry woven anew with every breath
John,
we take.
John,
And you, a participant in this celestial
goodbye,
orchestra,
John.
bringing rhythm and harmony to the dance of existence.
Oh, John, what are you talking
My
about?
dear interlocutor, you speak of an enigmatic
What
conundrum
am
that
I gonna
has
say?
vexed the minds of philosophers and artists alike.
John,
Thou
goodbye.
dost say that thou hast no notion for a
What the
notion, man. My dear interlocutor, you have summoned me to speak of a topic as novel as it is enigmatic, the native virgin.
Goodbye,
It is
John.
indeed a veritable culinary crusade we are embarking upon. Like the brave knights of yore, we shall seek out the most succulent ingredients, the rarest spices, and the finest culinary techniques. Each account a realm of wonders and whimsy, where the trees whisper ancient tales in a language only the wind can comprehend. Its inhabitants, beings of pure imagination, frolic in a sea of colors, unseen by the mundane eyes of mortals. The sun there shines with such brilliance that the very air dances in a MES. My dear interlocutor, you dared to question the grandeur of my discourse. Very well, let us embark on a journey through the cosmos, where the stars themselves quiver in awe at the spectacle of my eloquence.
John, just chill. I just a goodbye.
Of the universe. Farewell, fellow traveler.
Perfect.
I
Okay,
hope our
goodbye.
paths cross again. Perhaps
Yeah,
in a
me too,
realm
me
where
too.
the
We'll
stars
shoot.
align
We'll
and
see
the
about this
universe
soon. Okay, bye bye.
conspires to grant us a
Bye bye, bye bye,
reunion.
bye.